when there are two real and distinct solutions, 0 and minus 1 upon 4. The solution, general solution will be y is equal to C1 e raised to power 0x plus C2 e raised to power minus 1 upon 4x. 0x means 0. 0 into x will means 0. E raised to power 0 means 1. 1 into C1 will be only C1 plus C2 e raised to power minus 1 upon 4x. So this is the solution. This is the solution. Now we'll do the next question. The next question, question number 3. Y double dash minus y dash minus 6y equal to 0. Question number 3. Minus y dash minus 6y equal to 0. Y double dash minus y dash minus 6y equal to 0. This is question number 3 of the same exercise. So all the terms in the equation contains y. All the terms in the equation contains y. Some are the derivative of y and one is without derivative. And on the right side is 0. So therefore, this is a homogeneous equation of order 2, second order. Now we will convert into the auxiliary equation. Auxiliary equation will become m square minus m minus 6 equal to 0. Where is the derivative? That will be m. If the first derivative only one m, second derivative m square, third derivative m cube, etc. And there is no derivative, no m. Now we will solve this one. We may use the factor method or we may use the quadratic formula. To quadratic formula, we may use the factor method. It may be solved by factor. So factor method, m square minus 3m plus 2m minus 6 equal to 0. So minus 3m plus 2m will be minus m. Minus m is broken into minus 3m and plus 2m. So m is common from here. Inside m minus 3 plus 2 is common from here, m minus 3 equal to 0. Both the brackets have the same m minus 3. So m minus 3 is common. Inside will be m plus 2 equal to 0. So there are two factors, m minus 3 and m plus 2 are equal to 0. So we'll solve them. Either m minus 3 equal to 0, m will be equal to 3, or m plus 2 equal to 0, m is equal to minus 2. So there are two solutions, both are real and both are distinct. Two solutions, both are real and both are distinct. Therefore, general solution will be y is equal to C1 e raised to power 3x plus C2 e raised to power minus 2x. This is the answer. Solution of the equation y is equal to C1 e raised to power 3x and y is equal to C1 e raised to power 3x plus C2 e raised to power minus 2x. This is the solution. We will do another question, question number 5. Y double dash plus 8y dash plus 16y equal to 0. Understood this question? बेटा समझ गए आप लोग?
यस सर।
कुछ पूछना हो तो पूछ लिया करो.
यस सर, पहले वाले क्वेश्चन
जी इबादुल्लाह कुछ कह रहे हो?
क्लियर है सर.
ओके
जी जी सर, मैं यही कह रहा हूँ, समझ आ गया, क्लियर है.
अच्छा ठीक है बेटा. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. Y double dash plus 8y dash plus 16y equal to 0. इसका भी मिडिल टर्म ब्रेक कर लेंगे. Y double dash plus 4y dash plus 4y dash plus 16y equal to, sorry, first we'll convert into the auxiliary equation. First we will convert into the auxiliary equation. Abdul Muiz 7939. Daniel Sultan, Mohsin Ali, Abdul Rahim, Munawwar Ali Shah. Muhammad Anas, Muhammad Rafi Khan, Abdul Muiz, Sayyid Shahriyar Ansari 61680. Okay. Now we will convert into the auxiliary equation. Auxiliary equation. M square plus 8m plus 16 equal to 0. Now we will break the middle term. M square plus 4m plus 4m plus 16 equal to 0. From here m is common. From here 4 is common. M is common. Inside m plus 4 plus 4 is common. M plus 4 equal to 0. M plus 4 is common. In both the brackets must be the same thing. So m plus 4 is common. So m plus 4 is left in the other bracket. So either m plus 4 equal to 0 m is equal to minus 4, or the other m plus 4 equal to 0 m is equal to minus 4. Now you can see both are real but both are the same, equal. So it is called both are real and equal, the second case, when the solutions are real and equal. They are real solutions but equal solutions. So general solution will be y is equal to, when they are the two equal solutions of C1 plus C2 x. If there are three equal solutions, then third will be C3 x square. Four equal solution, then the four C4 x raised to power 3, etc. Into e raised to power minus 4x. One will be equal to C1 e raised to power minus 4x. There will be C2x e raised to power minus 4x. The third may be C3x square e raised to power minus 4x, and so on. Abdul Rahim 62183. So this is the solution. This is the solution. When both are the equal and real. So y will be equal to C1 plus C2x into e raised to power minus 4x, or we may write separately. We may write in this way: C1 e raised to power minus 4x plus C2x e raised to power minus 4x. We may write in this way also: C1 into e raised to power minus 4x plus C2x e raised to power minus 4x. When e raised to power, the same power is there. So one will be C1, the other will be C2x, the third will be C3x square, then C4x cube, etc. So this is the when the solutions are real and equal. The next question, y double dash minus 10y, question number 6. Question number 6. Y double dash minus 10y dash plus 25y equal to 0. لا حول ولا قوة إلا بالله. لا حول ولا قوة إلا بالله العلي العظيم. حول ولا قوة إلا بالله العلي العظيم. الله أكبر الله أكبر. لا إله إلا الله محمد رسول الله. اللهم رب هذه الدعوة التامة والصلاة القائمة وآت محمد الوسيلة والفضيلة والدرجة الرفيعة وبعث مقام الله الذي وعدته شفاعته يوم القيامة إنك لا تخلف الميعاد. لا إله إلا الله محمد رسول الله. Okay, question number 6. Y double dash minus 10y dash plus 25y equal to 0. Question number 6, y double dash minus 10y dash plus 25y equal to 0. First of all, auxiliary equation we will convert into the auxiliary equation. It will be m square minus 10m plus 25 equal to 0. This is the auxiliary equation. Now we'll solve it by the middle term break. M square minus 5m minus 5m plus 25 equal to 0. Now you can see minus 5 will be minus 10. Now from the first term m is common, m minus 5, next term m5 is common, minus 5 is common, so m minus 5. When minus is taken outside the bracket, the internal sign will be changed. The internal sign will change. Now m minus 1 is common. Sorry, m minus 5 is common, and inside will be m minus 5. These two m minus 5 are common. This is m minus 5 in the other bracket equal to 0. So either this one is common, either m minus 5 equal to 0, so m equal to 5, or other m minus 5 equal to 0, m equal to 5. So both are the same answer, equal and real. Equal and real. So general solution, y is equal to c1 plus c2x e raised to power 5x. c1 plus c2x into e raised to power 5x. This is the general solution of question number 6. Now we'll do question number 7. Question number 7. Y double dash plus 9y equal to 0. Sorry. 12y double dash minus 5y dash, 12y double dash minus 5y dash minus 2y equal to 0. Question number 7. Twelve y double dash minus 5y dash minus 2y equal to 0. We'll convert into the auxiliary equation. 12m square 5m minus 2 equal to 0. This is the auxiliary equation. Now we will solve it by middle term break, or we may use the formula. So we will use the quadratic formula. M will be equal to minus b minus 5 minus b is minus 5 plus minus under root b square minus 5 square, then minus 4 into a is 12 into b into c is minus 2. 4a and c, 4ac upon 2a, 2 into 12. It will become minus minus plus 5 plus minus root minus 5 square will be 25, minus 4 into minus 2 will plus 8 into 12, 96.